So, how can you use the theory of multiple intelligences to assess students' achievement in your classroom? No matter the type of assessment, instructor must create an ambiguous expectation. Authentic assessment strategies such as portfolios, purpose of a rubric, summary of their learning. It's placed in a curriculum. Yo! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's vlog we will talk about variety of assessment methods, tools, and tasks. Let's G! What is a rubric? A rubric is a type of scoring guide that assesses and articulates specific components and expectations for an assignment. Rubrics can be used for a variety of assignments: research, papers, group projects, portfolios, and presentation. What is the purpose of a rubrics? The main purpose of a rubric is its ability to assess students' performance or work, but the best part of a rubric is that it's flexible. Rubrics can be tweaked and customized to any type of assignment and have every student subject. In one class alone, students could be creating videos, giving presentations, and writing essays. What is a portfolio? A portfolio is a compilation of materials that exemplifies your beliefs, skills, qualifications, education, training, and experiences. What is the purpose of the portfolio? The primary purpose of an assessment portfolio is to document student learning on specific curriculum outcomes. As such, the item in the portfolio must be designed to elicit the knowledge and skill specified in the outcomes. Assessment portfolios may be used to demonstrate mastery in any curricular area. What is an assessment? Assessment is a strategy to improve student learning. Assessment should reflect the diversity of intelligences and learning styles in your classrooms. For example, students who are good at spatial learning might not display the full range of their knowledge on an essay test. In fact, traditional testing methods are inherently biased in favor of students with strong linguistic and mathematical skills. Advocates of MI theory suggest that teachers supplement their traditional assessment methods with assessment strategies that evaluates student progress in an inclusive, meaningful way. There are many assessment strategies, each offering its own strengths and weakness, that educators can use to assess their students. A classroom presentation is an assessment strategy that requires students to verbalize their knowledge, select and present samples of finished work, and organize their thoughts about topic in order to present a summary of their learning. Some of the most familiar assessment strategies are quizzes, tests, and essays. While each of these relatively traditional forms of assessment has its place in curriculum, many teachers are finding that they are limiting in other important ways. Authentic assessment strategies such as portfolios, performances, and exhibitions allow students to showcase their talents and what they have learned in a course creative manner. Many teachers are now also experimenting with self-evaluation, peer evaluation. Some of educational theories believe that the students are more invested in their performances in the course when they know what they are actively involved in the overall assessment. No matter the type of assessment, instructor must create an ambiguous expectation and be open to employing a range of the assessment strategies. The 8 Multiple Intelligences by Howard Gardner claims that all human beings have multiple intelligence. This multiple intelligence can be nurtured and strengthened or ignored and weakened. First one is verbal linguistic intelligence. In this intelligence, the person well developed verbal skills and sensitivity to the sounds, meanings, and the rhythms of words. The second one is mathematical logical intelligence. the ability to think conceptually and abstractly, and the capacity to discern logical or numerical patterns. The third one is musical intelligence, the ability to produce and appreciate rhythm, pitch, and timbre. The fourth one is visual spatial intelligence, the capacity to think in images and pictures, to visualize the accurately and abstractly. The fifth is bodily kinesthetic intelligence, the ability to control one's body movements and to handle objects skillfully. The sixth one is intrapersonal intelligence, the capacity to detect and respond to appropriately to the moods, motivation, and desires of others. Seventh is intrapersonal intelligence, the capacity to be self-aware and in tune with inner feelings, values, beliefs, and thinking processes. The last one is naturalist intelligence, the ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other objects in nature. So, how can you use the theory of multiple intelligences to assess students' achievement in your classroom? The multiple intelligence approach to testing is closely related to authentic assessment. This approach enables students to demonstrate the depth of their understanding, connect their classwork to real-life experiences, and apply their knowledge to new situations.